You know, God has created all the fruits, all the food we eat here on earth. All the fruits have many benefits. It's just that we do not know most of their benefits, and the little one we know about, we are not taking it too seriously. Hello everyone, it's your girl Patience Pest, and I am back with another video. In today's video, I am here to share you the benefits of soursop fruit and how you can make this juice and get all the health benefits of this fruit. Soursop is very great. It's a very nice fruit which you and your family can consume. So you really need to start adding these fruits or even making these fruits your favorite. If you have not been eating these fruits, you are missing out on the whole lot of health benefits which this fruit can give. So these soursop fruits have a lot of whole benefits which you can derive just by consuming this fruit. And not only the fruits, the leaves of these fruits is very medicinal as well. A lot of people use this for different health benefits, and it has been working for them. And what we'll be focusing more today is about the fruits. And I'm not just going to tell you the benefit, I'm going to tell you how to make a juice out of the soursop fruit. So in case you are buying one tomorrow, you shouldn't be scared on how to make a juice out of this fruit. One thing about this fruit is very delicious depending on how you eat this fruit. You don't eat the fruit when it's not ripe. If it's not ripe, you can leave it on the kitchen counter and let the fruit ripe before consuming them. And one thing about this fruit, if you are buying this fruit from the market and you notice the fruit is kind of still stiff and you are not sure if this fruit is going to ripe soon, I would prefer you go for the one slightly ripe. So those one you can be sure of the fruit getting ripened in a shorter period of time. So this fruit is very good for preventing diabetes. It's very good for the eyesight. It helps in building a stronger immunity. It protects the stomach, and especially for those who suffer from gastrointestinal health, this juice is very good for them. If you have this kind of issue, try incorporating this very juice. It improves stress and anxiety. It regulates blood sugar. And this fruit is very good in relieving anti-inflammatory distresses. And one important benefit of taking this fruit is that it prevents many types of cancer cells. You guys know cancer is one of the leading ailments that kills many people all around the globe. So if for anything you don't want to take this fruit, you can start taking this fruit because of this last benefits of this fruit. So without saying so much, let's take you through on how to prepare this juice, and I know you will like this juice once you prepare it. So guys, I bought those soursop at the market, and I decided on to make a soursop juice out of it. Though the soursop might be looking this in this color, this is because I dropped the soursop for a longer period of time. I almost forgot that I bought this. One thing about soursop is that they are quite pricey, and I almost left the soursop to get spoiled. And I decided to make a juice out of it. So guys, I'm putting on my gloves, but on a normal day I wouldn't be doing this because I want this to look appealing in the eyes, because I know some people might get back to me that this is quite messy. So that's why I am putting on this gloves, because I'm going to serve looks here. So what I'm going to be doing is to get all this pulp out, and all you're going to do is just to discard this part. One thing I noticed about soursop, a few times I've gotten them, is if the soursop is not ripe, do not put inside the freezer because it will take forever for it to get ripened, and you don't want that. So I left mine on the counter for it to ripe by itself. So I did not wrap it over something because this particular fruit is quite pricey for you to just leave, forget, and let it get spoiled. So in order to prevent that, I would advise you just place it on the kitchen counter. So going back to this one, the next step is to deseed these, because we'll be blending. Remove all the seed. You can see the seed. I know it's quite messy, but just take your time. If you are taking this, you just taking it directly, there's no need for all this. You can actually eat, remove the seed as you eat. I will deseed all this and get back to you guys. Guys, after blending, this is exactly what I got. And so now I will be transferring this into this jar, and this is the bottle I use for storing my juice and smoothie. So I'm going to be storing this into this jar. It's washed properly.